everybody, it's Carmen. Today we are talking pruning a tree, but we've got to be very careful because it's spring, but we can prune it in a way that it'll go better all summer long. Here we go. So we want to be very careful. There is a debate that you don't want to prune a tree too much in the spring, which is true. We want to help it grow, but there are strategic ways to do that. If you look at this tree, it's a little lopsided, so we can make it look better. It's obviously growing towards the sun. Then we're going to start from the bottom up, get rid of any water spouts. I'll show you what those are. Any suckers. I'll show you what those are. We'll kill any dead branches, and then lastly, we're gonna thread it out so that the sun can come through and help everything else grow. It's very strategic, but it can be done very nicely. So we're gonna start from the bottom up. The first thing you wanna look at is for any little branches that will be growing up out of the ground. Those are called water spouts. They're really attached to the root ball, which is under the ground, but it is parts of the tree growing up. You want to get rid of those. The second thing you want to get rid of is suckers. And we've got a little itty bitty one growing here, but oftentimes you'll see little pieces that grow out from the trunk. This is the main trunk, which is what we want to preserve all the way up. Anything growing out of here is taking the water and just detracting from the tree, moving the water up. Now we've cleaned up all along at the bottom. There was really very little. And now as you come up, we're looking for dead little branches or little branches, suckers, that are trying to grow out that over time you don't want them there anymore. It's okay to just go ahead and pinch deadhead. That's really what that's called. We're gonna just take off any little ones because we don't want those to grow into big branches or into suckers. We're gonna come to a point where I'm gonna be cutting some branches that might have some leaves on it, but that's strategic. We want to cut anything that crosses over another branch and will prevent the sunlight from coming through. This one right here isn't gonna do anybody any good, but this is a bigger branch, so that one wins and this one goes away. So now we're down to the last step. We've kind of cleaned up, we've gotten rid of some threading, we've gotten rid of the dead stuff. What we want to do now is, if you look at the tree, it's not shaped very well. So you want to do one of two things. You want to either think of it as an arch or a pyramid. In this case, since we're already kind of arcing, I'm just going to thread out this side a little bit, and since I'm too short, I have this handy dandy battery operated extendable shears, which is great. I just press the button down here and it cuts up there. We just step back, cut a little bit at a time, come back. Cut a little bit at a time and come back. Make it look pretty and have fun. So there you have it, how to prune a tree in the springtime. Be strategic, bottom up, water sprouts, suckers, dead pieces, thin it all out, arch it, and you have a beautiful tree for the rest of your summer. For this and more, visit us at familyhandyman.com. See you next time.